Hello lovelies, thank you very much for joining me. I have missed you, I've been away a few days. So I've really got to get my finger out tonight because this is going out tonight. So it's a nail collab and I just said do summer, anything to do with summer. Whether you want to do holidays, ice creams, clothes, whatever, weather even. Whatever you want to do, so yeah, summer. So I am doing some gold palm tree nails with 3 colour ombre and gold palm trees. So I'm using these 3, which are Born Pretty CGO Silky White Series 017, 100 and 041. Lovely purple, pink and a yellow, because I'm running out of my orange, but it'll make a bit of an orange colour in the middle. And then for my palm trees, I'm going to use a mix of semi-solid moulding gel and the chrome mirror top coat. But I want to do this design as well because I bought this Russian matte top coat and I want to try it with the gold chrome powder. So yeah, I'll put the link to, if there's a playlist, Katie's done it for us, so thank you very much, Katie. So I'll put you the link for the playlist in, or I'll put you the names of everybody in the description box so you can see. So pop over and see my little girly friends. Oh, thank you for coming here from theirs. Yeah, so just summer. There should be loads of different ones, I'm guessing. And we've not ended up doing the same thing on any of these collabs yet, so that should be great. So I'm just going to base coat and then I'm going to do the ombre. And I think I'm going to do that across all the nails, the ombre. So I'll do 1 or 2 and then I'll decide whether I'm doing them all over. I think I am. So I'll just start with this middle one. And I'm going to do it with the ombre brush today. So pink in the middle. Purple. Not sure how many coats on here because that's a bit jelly-like, but I do like the colour. So let's try that. And I like to have a little pad just to wipe this on. I don't know why I do this, I prefer sponging, but never mind, I've started now. Same again on this one. So second coat. So I've done them all the same today. What I find if you use an ombre as well is that you get a little bit of texture to it. So you can either top coat and buff it, or you can do what I've done, which is put a decent coat of base coat on. So it's evened it out quite a bit, that. Because then I'm going to go in with my matte top coat. So I've never used this before. I'm guessing it's 60 seconds. So that's what we'll do. So I'm just going to try it with one first and see if I'm happy with it. And if not, I'll revert back to different top coats. Matte, that is. So, make it nice and flat, if possible. It's not bad. As I say, I've not buffed this set, but you can do before you do your matte top coat if you want. So, what I'm going to do while that's in there is, I am so sorry about traffic noise because I've got to have all the windows open and get a bit of a through draft. So this is going to fall very sort of level and this would be more stood up, but I want a little bit of a combination of both. So I'm going to mix them together. There we go, I've found my spatula. So, so if you want real texture, just use this one. Might need to mix more in a sec. And then the chrome mirror top coat, which is a really good one. If you're wanting to do chrome French or anything. So that's enough, just to thin that thick one down slightly. So I think we'll have big palm leaves coming down on this one. Right down there. Do it from this end, I think. That's it. So just cover that up for a sec. And I'll get my chrome powder out. So I'm using the gold, I think it's 46283. I'll put you the link anyway for these, and the gels. So I'm sorry it's a quickie design really, but I wanted to get all my others done and uploaded before I went away. Scheduled, uploaded. And I knew this would be tea time tonight, so it's now 3 o'clock. So, yeah. Right, so that's that. So let's have a look and see if this brushes off this matte top coat. Yeah. So first off, I'm going to use a clean one of these. Oh, that's brilliant. Turn it over. That's really good. There's the tiniest amount on there, so let's change it to a clean end. Brilliant. I love that. That is great. So I'm going to top coat all of that. Let's use this one. Thing is, I've brushed some of the glitter up. I should have paid more attention to brushing over the leaves. That's it. So although this is a full tree coming down here. So chrome this one. You're never quite sure how well you've drawn it or not until you put your chrome on. So let's try a brush. If a brush works well. Yes, the brush does work well if you flick. But first, I wonder if I can do some little coconuts with this rhinestone glue. Let's try it. One. Two. Three. Let's try these. 3D. Come on, brush, that's it. So, top coat. That's that, so I can leave that background in matte. I want to see what my coconuts would look like if I used just a blob of this with the dotting tool. Let's try that. Yes, they're better actually, I think. Yeah, they're better. That's it, and I will, oh my god, this one, I will top coat my little coconuts. So they're matte with the gold palm trees. Now I'm going to do these glossy, but I'm just going to do a little coat of base. And I'm going to stick these seashells and seahorses in with this base coat because they're only tiny, so they'll fit in nicely. So I'm going to do, I'll let go, seahorses. On that one. And some shells on this one. I wanted starfish and all sorts, but I've realised I'm quite restricted to what I've got in the metal bits. And then I'll top coat them into place with, what's that on there? What's that? I'll top coat them into place because it will stop them losing the colour as well. So I'll put the links to everything I've used in the description box, and please don't forget to go and check out everybody else in the collab if you've not come to me from them. And like I say, I'm sure there'll be lots of different designs, so I'll just get them mounted up and I'll show you the finished result. So here you are, my lovelies. Hope you've enjoyed the video. The verdict on the Russian matte top coat is I like it. I like it a lot. So there you go. There's my ombre flashy summer nails, I think. I wish I'd had them on holiday now. So I hope you're enjoying them all, these videos. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Look after each other. Love you loads. Bye.